You've successfully built a solid business and want to continue to grow. Now you want to maximize profitability, value, and scalability. However, the growth you desire has been elusive, and as a result, you probably need to address one or more of the following growth factors: leadership development, financial sophistication, operational optimization, strategic planning, and increasing capacity. The secret to achieving this is creating a sustainable business that can run without you by doing the following: market expansion, running your business by the numbers, and succession planning. We created the Masterpreneur Growth Accelerator to help you maximize profitability, value, and scalability faster and easier. I'm Andrew Frazier, and I created the Masterpreneur Playbook framework. Over the past 15 years, I've worked one-on-one with over 1,000 business owners and taught tens of thousands of people about business. My experience includes serving as a naval officer, managing businesses, graduating from MIT, earning an MBA from NYU, and achieving the CFA designation, which provides me with a unique perspective and expertise for helping you to scale your business faster and easier. I've helped numerous businesses grow revenue, maximize profitability, and increase in value. For example, I helped a manufacturing business double its profitability on the same sales within a year. I have also helped a number of businesses increase capacity, enabling them to grow top-line revenue significantly. In addition, I help many businesses with strategic planning and leadership development, which increase their business value to potential acquirers. Here's what others are saying about it.
I had my first strategic planning meeting with my staff yesterday. I rolled out the plan that Andrew and I had developed. They were fired up. I was fired up. I was like, it's not just me with the mission. There's all of these people. We're all on the same page. Let's go.
I gotta say, I'm glad I trusted you with your plan because and I like the plan, but we are, there's no guarantees, and it is a journey, but we're getting there, and we're making real solid progress, and I'm very pleased with where we are right now.
If you're looking to maximize profitability of your business, you need to participate in the Masterpreneur Growth Accelerator. If you want to increase the value of your business, you need to participate in the Masterpreneur Growth Accelerator. If you want to successfully scale your business, this program is for you. Visit www.masterpreneuraccelerator.com to learn more and register for the Masterpreneur Growth Accelerator.